to yet another episode of Maggie's Christmas cooking, and this episode we are going to be making sides. Finally, we've done our meat, we've done our fish, we've done our dessert. It's time to finally get to the sides. And of course, I'm your host Casey, and today we're going to be making couscous salad. So we're going to start over at the stove today. We have everything here already. We have our couscous, we have our corn, we have our bell pepper, we have our mixed vegetables, we have our seasonings, dressing, and craisins. So let's get started. All right, guys, we have our pot here. Our water is boiling. We're gonna add 2 vegetable MAGGI cubes. These are the magic cubes. I love these so much. We're gonna add these cubes, then our couscous, stir it. So 1 cube down, crumble it up, add it to the pot. That's that cube. Whoops. 1 more. And we're just gonna give that a stir, make sure all of it has dissolved. Now we're gonna add our tricolor couscous. Once our couscous has been added to the pot, we're gonna cover. Turn off the heat. And we're gonna let that stand for 5 minutes. That's what's gonna let the couscous swell and absorb all that yummy liquid that the MAGGI cubes have created. It's ready. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna add our craisins, or raisins if you have. We're gonna add corn. Canned corn is good. We're gonna add our assorted bell pepper. We have red and green here. All different colors because we want to make this beautiful and tasty at the same time. Make sure you get all the bits. We're gonna add our mixed veg, which is some carrots and some string beans. Woo. In. You can use dried parsley or fresh parsley, whichever you have on board. Put that in there, and Italian dressing. Pour that all in. We're just gonna mix this baby up. Make sure everything gets nice and incorporated in there. It's super simple. Christmas is not just about mac and cheese, stuffing. Yeah, sure, they're necessary, but it's also great to have different, variety and sometimes just a difference. So you can add this to your Christmas table this season, whether it is you're gonna be by yourself, with your family, whatever it may be, whatever it's calling, try to make something. This is really easy and delicious. You can enjoy this at home or wherever you are. If you do try it, tag us. All right, guys, have a happy and a safe one.